Hey everyone, people, what's up, y'all? So, we continue our theme about UCAT service, and we continue our theme how you can create a landing page, a website, just in 1 hour without any coding skills, any tech skills. So, this video is gonna be very interesting for you, as usual, and I guess that its video is especially aimed for novices, for those who would like to create a cool landing page or website but don't know how. Yeah. So all the useful links will be in the description, and watch this video till the end, and let's get down to our work. So Unit is contemporary, convenient, and simple website builder, which initially targets small and mid-sized business owners. So its feature set is enough to come up to the needs of each user who has an intention to start and effectively manage professional projects. So what matters most is that the website builder does not require any coding and web design skills to run quality projects, and everyone can master its intuitive visual interface to be able to design projects out of ready-made widgets and content blocks. So the website builder comes with an extensive collection of responsive, fully customizable designs tailor-made for specific commercial and non-commercial needs. And due to the integrated drag-and-drop functionality, it's possible to start projects at complexity level without any coding proficiency at all. So these are only some of the most obvious reasons why the platform enjoys popularity with entrepreneurs, creatives, students, artists, photographers, models, stylists, and other users. Before you actually proceed to the website development process, you need to sign up for the platform. Fortunately, the website builder provides easy, fast, and hassle-free registration procedure, and it's possible to choose from 2 sign-up options here. So the first one implies the use of your social accounts, such as LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, if you already have the one. And the second registration option is to fill out the sign-up form, providing your email, password, and info. So upon the completion of this step, you will be offered to confirm the registration by activating the link available in the email, and right after that, you will be redirected to the template selection page to pick one of the designs listed right here. And actually, I already have registered my account in UK, and basically here we have the selection of template. UCAT has a huge variety of this template, and it depends on. If you would like to search some of them in specific area, you have many categories such as right here sports and fitness. Yep, and you continue your search just right here, or whether it will be photography. Yep. In some sections they have not so much templates. In other one they will be more, but you know, it depends on the project. What do you like, how you see it in your head. Yep, let's just check the preview of this template. Yep, how it looks like. And actually Dancing Queen, yep, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basically we have 7 sections, 8 I would say, and it's not so, I would say this website is not so large, so you can actually play around and create your personal website just in 1 hour. Yep, and it's enough, to be honest. The next one, what I would like to show you all is that right here you have the adaptive designs version. So basically you may play around with all these things, simply navigate. Yep, simply just take a look and change the order, but not right here in the editor, of course, but it gives you the opportunity just to check how it will look in future. Yep, if you don't like this template, you may view next or choose a design. So I will guess we will start our work with this template. So basically right here we have we need to choose a domain name. It puts randomly, but to be honest, I prefer doing this after the finishing process of creation a website, because for me it's not the major step, and I always do it as a last step. So we will continue. For me, the key point is ease of use. It means that whatever action you intend to complete, be it widget integration, blog post creation, domain name connection, and others, it will be very easy and convenient because UKIT is logically divided into two areas, the dashboard and the builder, which we have it right now. And builder has four working areas right here: site pages, builder, design, and adaptive site view. Of course, the preview comes with a preview option, which we've done actually. Yep, because preview option lets you see all your changes in action immediately. And additionally, you can preview your work anytime by clicking preview button. Yep, when previewing your website, you can switch between different devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Yep, this will give you a realistic impression of what your site still actually will look like across different devices. And the dashboard lets you manage your site's main settings, such as connect, analytics, visitor statistics, advice or promotion, under construction mode, and other settings, I would say. Yep. Right now we will talk about these four main bottoms. Actually, these are tools, and the first one is site pages. Site pages is responsible for the page's layout, so you may simply navigate between the pages just right here. Yep. Or you can simply change the order, yep, between these pages. As for me, contact should be the last one. Yep. News may be just right here. Yep. Home, schedule, about us should be just right here. So basically, that's how you refresh. So that's how you can work with this tool, which is responsible for the pages. So I'm talking about a builder mode. I can say that this is drag and drop website builder. It's separated into two parts, widgets and blocks. For those who don't know what is widgets, I can say that these are functional elements that are added to website pages by simply dragging. So you simply drag any element, yep, and actually the results are visible in online form. Of course, all the elements should have their function. Yep, you don't. Your aim is to make a cool website, yeah, with all these elements, and all these elements, they are small pieces, and if you will gather these small pieces into one whole part, you will get a masterpiece, I would say. Yeah, so it may be Google search, live chat, social bar, callback order, whatever. Yep. And combinability of these methods allows user to complete the major actions with the website elements and blocks by adding, removing, changing, repositioning them in a few clicks only. So the results of your action you immediately see in online form. And I forgot to tell you about the block. So you may simply add a block where you see that it's necessary. Yep. A design mode, basically it lets you to change your website design by choosing the color scheme. For example, this one, or I don't know, the green one, or the purple one. So you can use a simply color palette and upload an image, or even, I don't know, a cool picture for a background. Yep. So what I can say, the next one, and this is the adaptive site version, and of course it's important because working with the tablet version, with mobile version, it's very important because you hold your phone in your arms almost 24 hours per 7, and you should make interesting adaptive design. You need to play around with all this stuff, I would say. Yep. And for mobile devices especially, you may hide some things, for example, just right here. Yep. Or just vice versa, to show some things in mobile site version. The next one, what I would love to add, talking about the desktop version, remember, let's talk a little bit about a classic, not structure, a little bit structure, a classic basic elements, what should be in a landing page or a website. In my opinion, there should be a logo, of course. If you don't have a logo, you may create, upload, buy a logo. Or if you don't have and you don't want to put a logo, you may put as a logo your name of your company, for example. Yeah. The next one, there should be a menu as we have right here. If it's a landing page, there should be a city bottom, call to action bottom in a face block. Why I call it face block? Because face block, it's a face of your landing page, and it should grab the attention of a visitor, because you need to make your visitor, you need to make it your professional client, I would say. Yep. The next one, there should be some sections about I would say. Yep. About your company, about you, about your products, about services that you provide. Don't forget about the gallery. Don't forget about the section, contact section, header, footer. All these elements, they actually should be. So actually I decided to choose this reviewing video of UKID service because, you know, this service, UKID, uses one of the best visual editors. All the steps here can be completed with a few clicks only. What is impressive for me, it's possible to start a ready-made website in 1-2 hours only by simply dragging the elements from the control panel to website pages, as well as by creating, adjusting content block positions. Yep, in the prevailing amount of cases, you will just have to edit the demo content provided by default, customize colors, fonts, layout, background to get the desired result. Yep, and all the elements you can pick and add to the page have detailed settings. It's possible to choose separate design options and edit block content for many of them. Likewise, you can set block structure and background for each block. And if you wish to add images for galleries and fonts, you don't have to I would say search them in internet, because you have right here stock, and you can buy these actually pictures and simply add them to your gallery. So based on one of the best samples of visual editor, UKID provides a user with an opportunity to design an appealing website from scratch without any preparation stages in 1 hour. I would say just not so large, just ordinary website. Yep, in 20 minutes you can create a landing page, and up to 2 hours you will create a large website with many pages. So this is the major benefit of the website builder, and I guess that any person can avail decent result when working with it. So this can be compared to the work of a professional web designer, and if you have actually a lack of time, lack of money, you may do it with the help of UKID service. And UKID service, of course, has many advantages, such as actually, first of all, it's for small business, it's for startups, it's for freelancers. Yep, right here, no coding skills required. It's very simple for newbies, and it has, you know, multiple responsive industry-specific templates. It has exceptional simplicity and convenience. Of course, in commerce engine included, such as statistics, analytics, all you have it right here. It has drag and drop editor, intuitive dashboard, simple block and widget customization. And remember that UKID works great for hassle-free and comfy website development process, so it can be used to start and effectively manage small businesses' websites, blogs, portfolios, promo websites, landing pages, and even small to mid-sized online stores. It's affordable cost of the system, so you may try it. You may try a demo version just to taste it, to practice, and after it, I'm waiting for your feedback. So actually, this is the end of my reviewing video. I really do hope that my videos are very useful for you. And actually, I wish you good practice, good vibes, good luck with UK service, with my videos, with my tutorials. And of course, I'm waiting for your feedback, I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your comments. And I guess that we'll see each other in another video episode. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.